Hey you everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'm back again in the Philippines to do a full length reaction to Jerome Evardome. Now I've seen where he's located at a place called Legend Night, and it's alive, okay? At RJ Bistro. And this was from October 21, 2025. So I guess it's like about a couple days ago. Okay, my people. So we're gonna check out that. Okay, so I need you all to stay tuned, watch the entire video because it's gonna be an adventurous momentum for me. And spoiler alert, my people, Jamaica is in a hurricane watch. So by the end of now and between now and probably Tuesday of this recording, probably Tuesday, we'll be experiencing an hurricane. Okay, my people. So if you guys see me here, well, it's a blessing to have you here. And if you guys are watching this video after whenever and I'm still here, it's a blessing. So I need you guys to, keep on praying, keep on, asking for protection. Okay, my people, so thanks for watching. I love you all so much. You people are very supportive. And to all the people who are watching and mentioning comments like about, hey, I'm their favorite, I appreciate it. I love you all so much. Okay, my people. So with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what's on.
Wow, it's been a great night so far here at the home of Retro in the Metro, RJ Bistro, going on 40 years of this music. So, natutuwa po kami na napuno ang RJ Bistro ngayon because this is the home of the music that you've been listening to. And it is the home of Retro in the Metro. Also, very importantly, the home of rock and roll here in the Philippines. At kapag rock and roll ang usapan, syempre, hindi pwedeng hindi pag-usapan ang king of rock and roll. Kilala niyo po ba kung sino yon? Sino? Parang mali ah. Sino ulit? Parang Elvis Evardome, narinig ko. Alright. Alam niyo na po ang susunod natin at kung sino ang next featured performer. When asked why Elvis Presley is special to him, our next featured performer answered, number 1, because he is the foundation of my voice. Number 2, because he is one of a kind. And last but not the least, number 3, because he is a very good, humble, and soulful man. Ladies and gentlemen, handa na ba kayo? Jerome Evardome!
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Woo! Ho! Ho! Joke lang. Good evening again, everyone. I hope you're enjoying the show tonight. Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa mga kanina kong friends na clones? Yan ang gusto kong marinig. Very good audience. Thank you very much. Now, I'm gonna do some hits ni Elvis Presley. And abangan nyo, may surprise kami ni Sir RJ sa inyo mamaya. So, ang first song na kakantahin ko is Love Me ni Elvis Presley. Kinanta niya ito back in the 50s. And, Red Band? Well, Love Me goes nothing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Treat me like a fool. Treat me mean and cruel. But love me. Break my faithful heart. Tear it all apart. Oh, love me. If you ever go, darling, I'll be yours. sad and blue, crying over you, dear Ollie. I would beg and steal, just to feel your heart beating close to mine. If you ever go, darling, I'll be so lonely. I'll be sad and blue, crying over you, dear Ollie. Oh, 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 oh. Well, I would beg and steal, just to feel your heart beating close to mine. Well, if you ever go, darling, I'll be so lonely, begging on my knees. All I ask is please, please love me. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now, I hope you enjoyed that song. Now, the next song I'm going to do is a song I did back when I was still alive in the 70s. And it goes on like this. The song's called Bridge Over Troubled Water. One of my favorites. When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. Oh, when times get tough and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down, like a bridge over troubled
Evardome. Jerome, for this next song, someone will be joining you. Gusto mo introduce?
Sure. It's none other than, actually, Sir RJ.
He's amazing. Everybody's amazing here. A big hand for the band too. And a big hand for you too. Siguro dapat bumili ka ng extra air condition dito, no? Pero November 25, I will announce it, okay? Part 2, okay with you?
So, one night with is what I'm now praying for. The things that we two could plan will make my dreams come true. Just call my name and I'll be right by your side. I need your sweet helping hand. My love's a strong man. Always live very quiet life. I never did no wrong. Now I know that life without you has been too lonely, too long. One night with you is what I'm now praying for. The things that we two could plan would make my dreams come true. Always live very quiet life. I never did no wrong. Now I know this very quiet life has been too lonely, too long. One night with you is what I'm now praying for. The things that we two could plan would make my dreams come true. Oh. Thank you very much. Thank you. I hope you're all enjoying tonight. Now, for my very last song. Oh, sige, hindi very last song.
Bro, come on, bro. There is no need for you to go on your last song as yet, bro. We need more. We need more. But bro, I'm watching this and I'm feeling entertained, my G. Like every person who came there to support Jerome Evardome, Elvis Presley's clone, they are feeling his performance. I can feel a realistic feeling that is coming from Jerome Evardome while he's performing. Bro, this guy is a natural born genius, bro. He's too genius for music. Too genius for music. And this is so very generous of the woman to came out and gave him a napkin or a wipes, you know, to wipe the sweat from off his face. That was very generous. I do all love that. That was very good. And I can see that person is a fan of Jerome. That person is a fan of Jerome. And I do love it. Very good. Very, very good. Let's continue.
Ang ano po namin babanatan, kami ng mga bands here. Isa sa mga most emotional songs ni Elvis to. And the title of the song is If I Can Dream. There must be lights burning brighter somewhere. Got to be birds flying higher in a sky more blue. If I can dream of a better land where all my Somebody's gonna come somehow out there in the dark. There's a beckoning candle. Yeah. While I can think, while I can talk, while I can stand, while I can walk, while I can dream. Please let my dream come true. Right now, let it come true right now. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much.
You want more? Okay, lahat tayo, palakpak ito. Pak!
Ayan.
Pak!
Keep that beat,
From the
everybody.
movie of Elvis. Come on, keep on clapping. I got a woman mean as she can be. I got a woman mean as she can be. Sometimes I think she's almost mean as me.
A black cat up, night afraid, 'cause she crossed its back last night. I got a woman mean as she can be. Sometimes I think she's almost mean as me. Take it on.
She kissed so hard through my lips, but was good, my heart just lives. I got a woman mean as she can be. Sometimes I think she's almost mean as me.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Strangest gal I ever met. Never have you unless she said,
I got a woman mean as she can be.
sometimes I think she's almost mean as me. Yeah. Yeah.
She makes love without a smile. Oh, hot dog, that drives me wild. I got a woman mean as she can be. Sometimes I think she's almost mean as me. Sometimes I think she's almost mean as me. Sometimes I think she's almost mean as me. Thank you. Okay.
Siyempre.
After this, we're gonna have a dance set. Eh, wala naman dance floor, kaya sumayaw lang kayo sa ibabaw ng mesa, pwede ba? That's around. We'll have fun. I will play my own set, just a short set, okay? In the meantime, gusto pa nyo? Okay. Tak, 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 tak. Tak, 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 tak. Everybody. Okay. You ain't nothing but a hound dog and cracking all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog and cracking all the time. Well, you ain't never gonna have it and you ain't no friend of mine.
When I said you was high class, well, that was just a lie. You know I said you was high class, well, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never gonna have it and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog and
Cracking all the time.
you ain't nothing but a hound dog and
Cracking all the time. Well, you ain't never gonna wrap it and you ain't no friend of mine.
Take it on.
sa baba? What is one for the money, two for the show? Please get ready now, go, can't go, but don't step on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything, they hold on my blue suede shoes.
Well, you can knock me down, step on my face, slam my knee all over the place. But do anything that you wanna do, but lay off of their shoes and don't do. Step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, but lay off of my blue suede shoes. But I'll do it. Take it on. I walk the dog.
Burn my house, steal my car, or drink my liquor from an old blue jar. Do anything that you wanna do, to get off my shoes, but don't step on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything, but they hold on my blue suede shoes.
All right. It's one for the money, two for the show. Better get ready now, go, 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 but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, but lay home on my blue suede shoes.
Everybody, where's the blue, blue, blue suede shoes? Come on, blue, blue, blue suede shoes, baby.
Blue, blue, blue suede shoes, baby.
Blue, blue, blue suede shoes.
You can do anything, but lay off on my blue suede shoes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Sir RJ. Oh, that was fun.
Ang ganda ng blazer niya, no? Ginto.
Hulaan nyo kanino galing to. Yes, galing kay Sir RJ, pero sinong gumawa? Ayun ang gumawa.
Douglas Masuda, president of Elvis Club. It's my honored guest here. Stand up, Douglas. He's continuing the spirit of Elvis.
One of the Elvises of
Bobby.
RJ Bistro, ladies and gentlemen.
And Bobby. Bobby's here? Okay. They make the Elvis jumpsuits. Thank you for coming. So the spirit of Elvis lives on, Douglas. Okay. Dapat bumaba na siya pero ayoko pang pababain eh. Okay. Bahala na, jam na lang kami, okay?
Saxophone, little John blowing on the side trombone. Rock a ball, little know the crash boom bang. No rhythm section was the purple again. Let her rock. Everybody, let her rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Number 47 said number 3. You're the cutest girl that I ever did see. I sure been light with your company. Come on and do the jailhouse rock. Everybody rock and roll. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Rock. Since I'm sitting on the block of stone, we all through the corner, even know the low. Wouldn't say anybody, don't you be no square. Can't find a party, use a woman and share like a rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing in the jailhouse rock. One said the folks singing forever and sing. One's looking out of town to make a break. Voices and the shipping and the Satan snick. I wanna sing around while I get my kick and let it rock. Everybody let it rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. We're dancing to the jailhouse rock. Dancing to the jailhouse rock. Dancing to the jailhouse rock. We're dancing to the jailhouse rock.
Lahat kayo pumalakpak naman on the beat.
You know I can't be found sitting home all alone. If you can come around, at least please stay alone. Don't be cruel to a heart that's true. Baby, if I made you mad,
Something that the mother said. Please don't forget in the past. The future just be right ahead. Don't be cruel to a heart that's true. I don't want no other love. Baby, it's telling you I'm big enough.
don't stop thinking on me. Don't make me feel this way. Come on over here and look. Hey, you know what you want to say. Don't be cruel to a heart that's true. Should we be apart? I really love you, baby.
Cross my heart. Let's walk up to the preacher and let me say I do. Well, baby, you know you love me, and you know that I love you. Don't be cruel to my heart is true.
Come on, everyone.
I don't want no other love. Baby, it's telling you I'm big enough. Don't be cruel to my heart that's true. Don't be cruel to my heart that's true.
Well, I don't want no other love.
Baby, it's telling you I'm big enough. Woo! Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, can everybody sing Sweet Caroline? Okay, Sweet Caroline tayo, lahat? O tayo naman kayo, tayo. Kaya ba nyo tumayo? Tayo, 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 tayo. Everybody, come on.
Look, look.
Where it began, I can't begin to know it, but then I know it's going strong. Was in the spring, then spring became the summer. Couldn't believe you'd come along. Hands, not touching hands,
Reaching out,
touching me, touching you, touching you. Whoa!
oh, sweet Caroline.
times you never seem so good. Sweet Caroline, good times you never seem so good. Oh, salamat. Thank you very much, everybody. Okay, we're gonna play a dancing set. Angie, for the ladies, shall we do Dancing Queen?
Low.
Alright, guys. Everybody can be that guy. Party on, music's high. Play the rock music, everything's fine. And when you get that chance, you are the dancing queen. Young Shake it up, baby.
Twist and shout.
Twist and shout.
Come on, baby, now.
Come on, baby.
Baby, work it all out.
Work it on out.
Work it all out now.
Work it on out.
You know you twist so good.
Twist so good.
You know you got me going.
Got me going.
Just like you knew you would.
Like I know you would.
Shake it up, baby.
Shake it up, baby.
Twist and shout.
Twist and shout.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now.
Come on, baby.
Baby, work it all out.
Work it on out.
Twist it, little girl.
Twist it, little girl.
You know you twist so fine.
Twist so fine.
You know you got me going now.
Got me going.
Make me know that you're mine.
Know you're mine.
All right, everybody, open your mouth and say ah. Open your mouth and say ah. 1, 2, 3, go. Shut
Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Baby, now. Come on, baby. Work it on out. Work it on out.
Twist it, little girl.
Twist it, little girl.
You know you twist so fine.
Twist so fine.
You know you got me going now.
Got me going.
Make me know that you're mine.
Know you're mine.
One more time. Open your mouth and say ah. Kung saan ang bunga, say ah.
Shake it up, baby.
Twist and shout.
Twist and shout.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby now.
Come on, baby.
Baby, work it on out.
Work it on out.
Twist it, little girl.
Twist it, little girl.
You know you twist so fine.
Twist so fine.
Come on and twist a little closer now.
Twist a little closer.
Make me know that you're mine.
Know you're mine.
I shake it, shake it, shake it, baby now.
Shake it up, baby.
I shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, baby.
Shake it up, baby.
I shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, baby.
Shake it up, baby.
I shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Salamat sa inyo lahat.
This was Legends Night back to back with Dance the Night Away. We thank you all for coming tonight. We hope to see you again for the next Legends Night here at the home of Retro in the Metro, RJ Bistro.
That was entertaining. You know, everyone came out. Everyone came out to support. Everyone was feeling energized, bro. It's like I'm there with them, bro. I'm in there enjoying. I'm there singing along. You know, everyone is just having a great time. Elvis delivered, bro, and everyone who came along afterwards, bro, they all delivered. Everyone came out to do a very great job. Very good job, guys. Very good. And you know, Jerome, to see people out there supporting you like that, giving you the courage, giving you the hopes that others outside of that little vicinity there will support you. Just keep on pushing, keep on enhancing because of your great voice, because of your mimicking, your cloning towards Elvis Presley, people will come out and people will give you the support that is required of you, bro. Right? So as a Jamaican, bro, I'm here to show you the love. I'm here to show you the respect that you deserve, bro. Well done, bro. Well done. And the crowd was starring, bro. They were like in a movie, you know, doing what the star normally does to protect. They had to protect Jerome, and You know, with everyone who came along, bro, they all protect them as well. The support was unrealistical, bro. Thanks for watching, my people. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, this Jamaican reactor. Stay blessed, stay safe, guys. I'll see you all out there. If you guys want to donate to the channel, the GoFundMe link is pinned down in the description. Feel free to leave what you have, and it's a total acceptance by me. I'll see you all around.